Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about creating names for vectors. So in previous lesson we have created some vectors, and here I want to name those vectors. So first of all, I just create a vector here. I just type here vec1 and here C. I type here, for example, 89. It should be integer, comma 88, comma 93, comma and 85. Comma and 85. Because this vector is integer, so I have to put L after each integer. So I just click here, enter, and here when I click here vector1 and enter, you can see here I have these values. For example, these are the values of GG test, and here I have to name all of this. So I just type here names, and here I just type here vector1 and here C, sort the bracket. For example, the first one 89, for example, we can write here or LA. The next one social study. The next one science, and the last one math, and enter. And here now I just type here vector1 and enter. You can see here for RLA 89, social study 88, science 93, and math 85. So I want to go with another example, so I just type here vector2 and I want to create this vector. For example, here I 2.3, comma 4.5, comma 2.2 and enter. We type here vector2 and enter. You can see here I have these values. So now I want to name two of these. You can see that. After that I just type here names vector2 and here I just type here C. So I just name two of these, and the last one will be unknown. So you can see here. So the first one is A and the second one is B and enter. Now I just type here vector2 and enter. You can see for the first one we have the name, the second one we have, and the last one we don't have anything. So that's it about naming the vectors. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.